Hey, I'm Paul Hockman for the New Simple. So we just saw in the first video all the benefits of using a Goldtouch custom-fit keyboard. Now, let's learn how to set one up for you. It's easy. Just takes a few seconds to customize it to you. Step 1. Make 2 fists and hold your arms out like this. Make sure your wrists are straight. Now, twist your hands. When the pressure in your forearms disappears, you're in the right spot. 2. Match the keyboard's angle to your natural position. Pull this handle out. Slide the 2 halves apart and pull the middle of the keyboard up like this. And that's it. Now push the lever back and start typing. Your Goldtouch keyboard keeps your arms and shoulders naturally aligned, easing pressure on your tendons. Comfy and productive. You want to learn how Goldtouch can make the rest of your workspace fit your body? Well, check out the next video.